In this video, we're going to be adding the extension Screencastify to Chrome. It's going to be really useful if you want to do screencasts. So first of all, we need to sign into Chrome. And the way you do that is open up Chrome, in the top right hand corner, click Add, and then give yourself a name. Obviously, I'm just using student example, and an icon. Once you've done that, click Sign In, and sign in using your school Gmail account. That's your Velocity username followed by @g.sjs.edu plus your password. Now you're going to be asked to link your data, so link the data please, and turn on sync, and type in Screencastify and click on the first link that comes up. Now you want to click Add to Chrome, and then Add to Chrome again in the next window. Then click Add Extension in the pop-up window. You'll know that it's added because the icon will appear at the top of your browser. Click on the icon and you'll be asked to sign in with Google. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to sign in with Google again. Now you're going to have to grant the app some permissions, and it's really important you understand this. So down here on the left corner of the pop-up, you need to change the language into a language that you can understand. Once you've done that, click on your account and check that you're happy with the permissions that you're granting it. If you are, click Allow. Click Next and then Allow. But before you click, make sure you agree with what you're allowing it to do. Again, check what you're allowing the app to do. If you're happy with that, you can click Student and tell the app how old you are. Great! Now we've got it installed, let's have a look at the app settings. Now let's click on the extension icon at the top of your browser and click the gear. We're going to change the settings, and we're going to lower the max frame rate, and we're also going to limit the resolution. This is because we want our videos to be smaller so they will save and upload to Google Drive quicker once we've finished. Now you've got a choice whether you want to enable your webcam for your video. I'd say it's always great to be able to see the presenter, but that's up to you. And you can choose what to share. Do you want to share just one window, or do you want to share your entire screen? I normally find it's easier sharing your entire screen. You get a countdown, and then everything that you do on the screen is recorded. So anything that you click or any pages that you navigate to are going to be recorded, as well as anything you say. And down here on the left, there are some tools that you can use in Screencastify. For example, you can annotate on the screen. There's also an eraser, and down here you'll also be able to turn your webcam on and off. Once you're ready to finish, click on the icon in the top right hand corner and press stop. The video saves automatically, and you can see the progress bar on the top right hand corner, and it will save to Google Drive. And you can see under options that the default setting is private. You can change that, and once it's fully saved, it will save to Google Drive. While you're waiting for it to save, it's always a good idea to give it a good file name so you'll be able to recognize it later. To find previous recordings, you can click on the cheese sandwich in the top left hand corner and click on My Recordings in the drop down. Screencastify will also have created a folder in Google Drive for you, and here is where all your videos can be found as well. Notice, if you want to share them, you have to change the sharing permissions, just like this. Now you might want to edit some of your recordings, and that's also possible to do in Screencastify. You can crop the beginning and the end, and if you save the trim, the new version will automatically be saved in Screencastify and on Google Drive. This is a great way of making sure that your audience only get to see the most important parts of your screencasts. We've just added the extension, and we've spoken a little bit about how Screencastify works. Now for the next part, which is thinking about how we can make creative videos to really engage our audience. That's where the fun begins.